Welcome to your dream home in the Villages. This house is located in the heart of the village of Rio Grande. This captivating property is an absolute must-see. As you arrive, you'll be greeted by the beautifully paved drive and walkway, leading to a covered front porch that measures 12 by 8 feet. Step inside and be captivated by the open and split floor plan that spans over 1,600 square feet of living space. The soaring ceilings create a sense of spaciousness, and the abundance of natural light truly brings this home to life. The heart of this home is the meticulously updated kitchen. It features new cabinetry, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. An island with pendant lighting serves as a focal point, and the dining area by the window is perfect for enjoying your meals while overlooking the expansive backyard. The bathrooms have been thoughtfully renovated with new vanities, granite countertops, and modern fixtures. With updates throughout, including a new roof in 2017, an HVAC in 2014, this home truly offers modern comfort in a prime location. Even the two-car garage has been given attention to detail, with the interlocking tile flooring, storage shelving, and easy access to the attic. Stepping outside, you'll find a pool area that's perfect for relaxation and entertainment. Solar panels have been added to ensure energy efficiency, and the recently rescreened bird cage provides a bug-free outdoor space. The master suite is a true retreat, with 2 walk-in closets and a view through the sliding glass door to the pool deck. It offers both comfort and style. The bathrooms have been thoughtfully renovated with new vanities, granite countertops, and modern fixtures. Don't miss your chance to experience this breathtaking remodel pool home for yourself. Contact us today to schedule your private showing for this house or any other homes. We're just a phone call away. And ask yourself, are you approved to move?